Hello, everyone. Have you ever wondered how many fascinating things in nature we have never discovered? Join me on this journey to explore them. Let's begin. In Norway's Sjøa River, overflowing water carried massive blocks of ice. Now, you are about to witness an icy tsunami. In Victoria, Australia, a spider migration created giant webs that covered large areas, stretching from the ground all the way up into the trees. How is the weather in your area today? It looks like a flying object from a sci-fi movie, but it is actually a vapor trail from a Chinese cargo spacecraft. This strange cloud scene happened in Yemen at about 7,380 feet above sea level, looking just like soap bubbles spreading everywhere. Has this phenomenon ever happened inside your home? This is a long, wattled umbrella bird. It has a long piece of skin on its chest about 16 inches long, nearly the size of its body. Scene. In Sydney, a camera captured the fascinating moment when a giant squid changed color in just a few seconds. Have you ever seen what a silkworm looks like in real life?
Porca troia!
Now you have a reason to be afraid of spiders. On the beautiful island of Hawaii, Kilauea volcano sometimes shows its emotions in a very unique way. When we think of trees, we think of them absorbing water for photosynthesis. But this ancient mulberry tree in Montenegro had a completely different plan. On April 11th, a woman in San Diego accidentally stepped into a rare movie-like scene, standing right beside the edge of an incoming rain shower. Are you watching this moment in Hawaii, California, or Alaska? This moment shows the incredible power of nature as the ice begins to move. It may look peaceful, but it is one reason bridges can be damaged.
It was above the cinnamon when we first saw it.
Warmer weather in western Greece led to a strange phenomenon in Aitoliko, where trees and houses were covered by webs stretching hundreds of meters. In Switzerland, a rock slide occurred, causing the village of Brienz to be blocked off. In April 2026, Brahman became the center of attention when twin tornadoes appeared at the same time. In Largo, a security camera captured a massive tornado lifting a house. Just like the movie Up, but this version was far more frightening.
The head's only just right, we can only flick it off.
A mother whale's instinct is truly incredible. At Coolangatta Beach, rescuers found a mother humpback whale staying close to her calf after it became trapped in a fishing net. Maybe climbing a tree is not the safest move when you meet a crocodile. What is just as concerning is watching a python climb a tree with such smooth movement. Heavy rain caused the Cimarron River to rise and wash away a house in Twin Lakes, Oklahoma. Comment number 1 if you want to know the name of this brightly colored shrimp. I will leave it in the comments. Do you think this mysterious phenomenon is real? Do you know what it looks like when a seal breathes underwater? In May 2026, a major landslide happened in Bulgaria, knocking down dozens of old pine trees right in front of the camera.
The dunes are singing.
In the vast Gobi Desert, there is a strange place known as the Singing Sand Dunes. In May 2026, people in Indonesia were amazed to witness bright rainbow clouds in the sky. Millions of red crabs flood Christmas Island every Christmas season, creating one of the strangest natural scenes in the world. It looks like flowing lava, but it is actually a metal ladder melting because of an electrical short. Look at this impressive phenomenon over Lake Michigan. It is called an Arcus cloud, a sign that a strong storm is approaching. This creature is the paddle-flap scorpionfish.
This is a huge stampede. We're not sure what's going on here, but these common dolphins just suddenly started to stampede.
Oh my God!
If you have ever seen this spectacular scene once in your life, comment number 2. A wonderful performance by humpback whales in Icy Strait, Alaska, left tourists amazed. It would be wonderful to have a fish pond like this in your garden.
Wow. Oh my God. Wow.
Thousands of photographers come to Yosemite every year to see horsetail fall glow like flowing lava. Is nature right outside your door as lively as this moment? Have you ever seen a group of millipedes migrating together through a forest?
Masakit na ka kaya?
Hindi na may movement sa mukha mo. Uy, gago.
Uy, pinapasok na tayo, Brian. Hindi na makita! Dali! Kunti na lang! Dali! Basa na yung puwet ko!
Last seen in Papua New Guinea, the jellyfish Chirodactys maculatus is believed to have extremely powerful venom.
CCTV.
After a tornado, rare mammatus clouds appeared in the sky over Indianapolis. This is the perfect visual metaphor for my stomach after eating Taco Bell. This moment quickly went viral on social media. What do you think could have caused this fire? At Bitarkanika National Park, tourists were amazed to see a crocodile measuring about 26 feet long.
Oh, hello. Whoa. Oh, Jesus.
An interesting image from nature was recorded during the Seeds of Change research project. Nature created a magical phenomenon with round ice discs quietly spinning in cold water. A gas pipeline leak under the Gulf of Mexico created an intense fire that made many people think of a gateway to hell.
Get ready to put the tape on him now.
If you are not a crocodile expert, never get close to them.
Back with me.
You need sharp eyes, or this optical illusion may fool you.
Wait, compa.
A powerful 7.6 magnitude earthquake strongly affected coastal areas of Indonesia.
Angkat. Air balik. Bagus sekali.
Does hail happen often in your area? What creature do you think is hiding under the ocean?
This is nuts,
Dude, you can see it all the way down.
No, yeah.
We just only saw whatever was online, but there's hardly anything available.
Even from a distance, this moment shows how powerful the Calbuco volcano eruption in Chile really was. Mount Ibu on Halmahera Island covered the sky with massive ash clouds after its eruption. This is just a normal day in Yellowstone National Park.
I'd say what, 200 or 300 of them?
We don't know because they're still coming.
I know.
No.
A sinkhole.
A sudden sinkhole appeared on the Long Island Expressway during rush hour, swallowing part of a car.
Look at that.
This trash bin is worth more than a car.
Guy.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any incredible moments from nature.
So shallow. And they're playing with the ski. What are you guys doing in here? Hello, little fella. You're so cute. Oh my god, it's a baby. How to do this? It's like a, oh my god, hush. Oh, hello, you're so beautiful. Ooh.
Deal.
On April 25th, 2026, a major landslide in Cusco, Peru, caused part of a mountain to collapse. If the chicken had not appeared in time to stop them, who knows what would have happened? This is why you should look up at the sky more often instead of staring at your phone.
I dropped it to 3,200.
Whoa.
Lightning lit up the night sky in Oklahoma City, making everything feel alive. A genius driver Parking lot mind games can be surprisingly entertaining, and this video proves it. A strange phenomenon happened on a highway in China, leaving many drivers amazed. This is a jellyfish called the Venus girdle. It looks like a transparent ribbon with shimmering edges and the ability to glow through bioluminescence. A strange atmospheric vortex appeared in the sky over Toronto, leaving many people concerned. Let's admire this footage from the International Space Station. It is amazing to see the true scale of our planet. The courtship dance of the black-collared jay truly fascinates many people.
Look at this. This is all hail.
During a violent hailstorm in Iowa, a man made a hail angel. Still, safety should always come first.
Nuts. What's the temperature out? Like 70?
Can someone give me the number for pest control? A swarm of insects just took over my house. Watch how this sheep shines like a star. This moment closes today's collection. We truly appreciate your time and support. We always want to improve our videos, so please leave your feedback in the comments. See you next time.